everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 26th to the 30th of April 2021 on Monday. Emma's issues with a family member escalate and things remain bleak for Tshepiso on Tuesday. Emma is desperate to save her new family while also protecting herself, and Tshepiso finally gets what she wants on Wednesday. Mabotho and his new friend grow closer while Emma agrees to go along with a few dark dealings to get rid of a ghost from her past on Thursday. Guilty haunts Emma and Tshepiso get an unexpected visitor on Friday. An elaborate plan takes shape and Kedibone is at her wits' end after her efforts to broker peace don't work. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. If you want the full episode, please let me know on the comment section. I will definitely share you the link. Bye.